Yeah, hi friends. This is Ravi Kiran from Ravi Kiran Tech Log. Today topic is how to add server to 2019 domain controller. So let's see. So after installation, we need to assign IP address to server OS, and after that go to computer name. Computer name you can assign the name required. So I'm going to give server 01, and I'm going to select domain name. So Ravi Kiran Tech is a NetBIOS name. So press enter. So it will authenticate to the domain controller. You can give the domain name as well. Press enter. So it will go to domain controller and verify the authentication and verify the server name. Once verification done, it will prompt successfully added to domain and welcome to Ravi Kiran Tech. It will display. Let's wait. Yeah, welcome to Ravi Kiran Tech domain. So click OK. And you must restart your computer to apply these settings. So if you added any server or workstation to domain, so definitely we need to restart to affect the settings. So restart now. So machine is restarting now. So it's a booting. So it's domain policies will be applied on the server. So it will sync all the policies. Okay, now server is ready. So after restart, let's log in. Let me log in with domain account. So I'm going to use Kiran password and click arrow item. Yeah, please wait for the user profile service. So now Kiran user account is able to log in the server, and you can verify whether it is added to domain and settings. Everything can be verified on the local server. So it's personalizing settings. So it will update. New profile will be created with the name of Kiran. Okay, now Windows booting successfully completed, and if you click start button, Let's wait, I think it's loading. If you click server manager, you can see this server is added to domain controller. You can verify. Click on server manager. It is loading. You can access this server from locally. Yeah, server manager is loading. Let's wait. Okay, click on server, local server. Yeah, computer name is server01. So when we are adding into domain controller, we have added server01, and domain it's showing ravikirantech.com. Previously it's our group. So firewall is on, IP address is 10.0.0.50, and everything is normal. So there is no roles installed on this. You can verify the profile is created with the name, and the default. Okay, click this computer, C drive. You can see users. So Kiran profile is created. So after adding, you can log in any user which is created on Active Directory. You can access this server remotely. So I think we have enabled remote auto enabled also. So this server can be accessed remotely. If you want to access, type mstsc. .0.0.50 IP address we have assigned. Click connect. So it is prompting the credentials. I'm giving domain name /Kiran, username, password. Click OK. See, name of the certificate server from the remote computer is server01 ravikirantech.com. So if you want to select, you can see. So if you want to assign a certificate, you can assign a certificate from certificate authority. So we'll show you on next video. Click yes. So it is now getting RDP. You're accessing remotely the server 01. It's loading the profile. Okay, yeah, Kiran, welcome. So this is one. So you can see the same settings. So you have taken a remote RDP the server. So to take RDP, you type down command prompt mstsc. So that is the remote desktop services, a tool on default install on all the operating system. You can access the servers from that tool. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, click like and share and subscribe, and click on bell icon so that my next video you can get a pop-up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.